In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDF with UPDF. If you've ever struggled to email a bulky PDF or upload a document that's just too large, compressing it is a quick way to shrink the file size without losing essential readability. UPDF makes this simple and gives you control over how much quality you want to preserve. Start by opening your UPDF application. Give it a moment to load fully so all tools are available. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a recent version so the interface looks and behaves as expected. Next, open the PDF you want to compress. You can use the Open button on the home screen or the standard Open option from the menu, then browse to your file. Once it's loaded, take a second to flip through a few pages. Noting whether your PDF is mostly text, images, or scanned pages will help you choose the right compression settings in a moment. Now look toward the top right corner of the UPDF window for a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and find the option labeled Reduce File Size. Select it to bring up the compression panel. This is where the magic happens. UPDF will present you with choices that balance size and clarity, and you can tailor them to your needs. Configure the settings to match your goal. Lower quality yields a smaller file, which is perfect for quick sharing or uploading to a website with strict limits. If your document is primarily text and simple graphics, a moderate reduction usually keeps everything crisp. For image-heavy PDFs or scanned documents, consider a careful balance. A slightly lower setting can still look good while cutting a lot of weight. If preserving the exact original appearance is critical, say for legal or design work, choose a lossless option. Lossless compression keeps every pixel and character intact while still trimming overhead where possible. Keep an eye on any estimated size indicators if they appear. They're helpful for choosing the right preset without overcompressing. Once your settings look right, UPDF handles the compression and produces a smaller version of your document. You'll notice faster sharing, quicker uploads, and easier storage. If the result seems too large or too soft, you can return to the same reduce file size option and try a different setting until you find the sweet spot for your use case. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks in UPDF, you can confidently compress PDFs while keeping them clear and professional.